This is stock number 19920, a 2008 Ford F-150 crew cab short box. Has the FX4 package with red paint, 21,000 miles, and the 5.4 liter engine. I'm going to take you all the way around the truck, inside and out, and show you underneath as well, so you know exactly what you're getting before you come all the way down here to take a look at it. It has custom exhaust, dual exhaust. Dual exhaust sounds very nice. See more pictures of this truck or one of our 400 others like it? Visit our website at www.lenzauto.com.